And we're back. And then the next thing we're going to cover in customization is policy management. This is a really crucial one because especially as you want to start moving away from GPOs, there really aren't CSPs per se for Office client configuration. And this is really great because it's basically now cloud policy deployment. So we're going to call this test policy. We're going to apply this to all users. And so you'll see here is that we'll do it like this. So this is actually going to give us all the policy. There's a ton of them around Outlook. And so say you want to be able to kind of do all kinds of crazy and really fun things, like really whatever you want to do. And so you can even get even crazier. So you just search more. So say you want, we'll say, okay, I don't want anybody to be able to create PSTs. We'll use that as an example. And let's think about some stuff. So say you want to, okay, we're going to block on manage add-ins. You can even say, I always want these add-ins enabled, kind of whatever you want to do. Okay, so say now we want to get rid of the filter. And we want to look at other stuff. So say we want to, let's look here. Just say we're gonna block macro enabled workbooks and templates, whatever, right? And so you get all your settings here. And then you go ahead and you create your policy. And the brilliant thing with this is it's going to automatically, once that person is signed in, it's going to pick up and it's going to apply that policy to them. You see here our policy is now here, and you can even set priority. So if you want to have different policies, and it shows you that that status is healthy. It's just that simple.